GOHA Workshop has been designing and manufacturing props and weapons for film, television and clients throughout the world for over 20 years now. Our unique difference is that we do everything in-house right here in New Zealand with a team of highly skilled and very experienced craftspeople. I'm Alex Faulkner and I run the Props and Models department here at GOHA Workshop. Including myself, there are 5 other senior model makers working here in this department. Between us, we have over 40 years experience model making and props making for the international film and television industry. We were all really pleased to hear that we were going to be working on the TERA weapons. We had a look at the game and the weapon designs and realised this was going to be a pretty cool project to work on. Working with the original TERA game assets, Lands and our 3D team create the various components digitally, ready to be printed or milled on a variety of CNC and 3D printing machines that we have here at the workshop. The real challenge for us with making these TERA weapons is the really tight turnaround. All of our 5 senior model makers here at GOHA will be frantically busy working on all of the pieces for the next several weeks, as well as 10 other technicians from other departments. As the TERA weapons come off all of the mills and out of the printers, our model makers start to refine each of the individual parts and start to piece the components together. We add all of the special details, we texture it in a very specific way, and then we refine the overall shape and the feel of the piece.
When I first saw the TERA designs that we were going to be working on, I thought, awesome, this is going to be so much fun to work on, so different to a lot of the high-tech props that we've been making recently. I'm Shari Finn. I'm a senior model maker at GOHA Workshop. I've been here for about 8 years now, and in that time I've worked on multiple productions. We wanted to keep the original fantasy feel of the TERA weapons, but at the same time give them a sense of depth and weight and history. We focus very much on the detailing. We think this adds a depth to the design and brings a sense of authenticity to the prop.
Once the model makers have completed their TERA weapon, the next step is to mould the piece so that we can make a more robust copy of the weapon or prop. Often for moulding, we need to break the piece down into its smaller parts. To decide the best way to do that, we always discuss each piece with Luke Hawker, who runs our moulding department.
So on the TERA project, we're going to be moulding 10 props. Each prop has its own unique moulding challenges, which means we have to apply different moulding methods. Those methods range from matrix to